Alright, so today we're going to be rooting some of those snow leopard mangaves in some soil. So I cut these off back when after I did that root rut thing, and I've been letting them soak for a couple days in some water, which seems to be doing them good because this one just poked me, so that means they have good water in them. So I'm going to put some of them in here, and I'm going to leave the other ones over there. And I'm going to be putting some root hormone on the ones that I'm putting in the dirt, just to help them out a little bit. So I'm going to pre-make some holes for them in this soil. I've already, this is cactus soil because they're cactuses. I already put some soil in there, not a lot, because I'm going to let them grow their roots, and then I'm going to separate them because I'm going to stick more than one in each pot. And I want them to be their own plants. You don't have to separate them, you can just have more than one growing in a pot. But I want them to have their own space and their own area to grow. So I'm just making some holes real fast. That one don't want to be a hole. Okay. So these have already been soaking in there, so I'm not going to dip them into water that I have over here, because their bottoms are already wet. So I'm just going to tap it in there and then shake it to get it off. And I'm going to put that one over here. Then I'm going to do this one. Same thing. Put it in there. Tap it. And get it off the sides. And shove it in there. So the point of making holes before you put them in there is so that all this powder stays on it. Otherwise, when you shove it into the soil, it's gonna come off, and then it's not gonna do its job. So that's all. Stupid bug. These are actually very firm, which was not how that plant was. So I'm very proud, very happy that that they firmed up and are soaking in the water that they need, and not dying. So now I'm gonna just lightly cover the roots, the bottoms up with the soil that I cut out, dug out, whatever, just to give them some stability, and so that it'll have soil to be around it. That's all. So that's what it looks like now. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're just little thingamabobs. And I think I'm actually gonna stick some of this. I don't know if you can mix this with water or not, but everything is just a experiment around here. So I'm gonna stick a little bit in there, see if it helps them grow any roots faster. That's all. Usually I have these cups inside. I probably am gonna take this one inside, but it's just been sitting out in the sun, sitting out on this table during the day. And they're pretty firm. They're not wilted or anything, so they're doing what they need to do. Don't be, that's just a string from the plant itself. They're stringy, like celery. So that ain't no root. Anyways, that stuff looks like it's mixed in there, so. Alright, that's all.